In this VideoMails review, I'm going to be showing you an autoresponder with a built-in SMTP that claims it can add your video into the emails. I'm going to be telling you what this actually does and of course what it doesn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out VideoMails, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says starting February 2022, all email marketing autoresponders will need this period. First and only MJML based video marketing autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP to boost opens, clicks, and conversions. It says integrate with 50 plus autoresponders or send with the built-in SMTP. Connect your own SMTP as well if you want to with this. You can create 1 million plus video email campaigns, fully based AI platform. You pay once, etc., etc. So what this is and what they're claiming here is that it's a video marketing autoresponder, and it looks like it's kind of like you can add video into emails. Well, it's kind of true and it's kind of not true. When it comes to adding videos into emails, you can't at this time just add an actual video into an email that's going to play right inside of someplace like Gmail. You can't do it. But what you can do, and this software does it, is it can create an animated GIF that what happens when people click on it, they can go off to somewhere and watch the video. It's an animated GIF. It plays kind of like it looks like a video, but it goes off to someplace else. So I just want you to be aware of that right now there's been softwares before that have claimed that they can add video into the emails, but at this point we're unable to add that in. As far as I know, I could be wrong, but as far as I know, we can't do that. But what this does do is it gives you a built-in autoresponder. That's pretty cool. It gives you the fact that you don't need an SMTP, but you can add your own, which is always good, because if other people get in the system and they start spamming, then you can get into issues with people messing up the SMTP. So you can, if you're looking for an autoresponder, you don't care about the video thing, you can use it for that as well. Let me scroll down on this one here. Scrolling's a little bit funny. You can integrate this. So if you just want to use the animated GIF aspect of it, which is still pretty cool, with your autoresponder, let's see, of Aweber or GetResponse or Constant Contact, whatever, any of these, you can actually take it and you can paste it into there and have these animated GIFs in there. Now, they say that they've got all these people, and Michael R apparently is doing very well, but these are, don't look at, these aren't real income screenshots. They just put that in there randomly. I wish they wouldn't do that. They don't need to, but these are all just random screenshots here. So don't buy this based upon the fact of the screenshot. Purchase it based upon what it does. Now, they also have some income proof from their marketing. They're very successful. They make a lot of money online. That's great. But just because you have an email autoresponder doesn't mean that you're going to automatically start making money online. You do need to have an email list as well. Now, they're showing some other businesses that are using this kind of technology, this kind of animated GIF technology that looks like video in their email. You can see Netflix does it, Wistia does it, Adrenaline Travel, VidGrid. But what happens when people click these videos, it looks like a video. When they click it, they go off somewhere else. So they could go off to a page, they could go off to a video link. It's up to you where you want to send them here. So just, again, be aware of that. I always want you guys to be very informed when it comes to what these things actually do here. Now, if I can scroll down here, they talk about what this has. They say play the video right inside your subscriber's inbox, but it's not really playing. It's an animated GIF that has no sound on it. So I don't know about that. Anyways, and I'll show you a video that shows exactly what it is in a second here. But if you decide that you want to purchase this, it's a very low one-time price on the sales page. You do get the autoresponder with it, so that's pretty cool as well. You get a built-in SMTP with that, so you don't have to even put in like SendGrid or something to go along with this for a low one-time price here. I'm not 100% positive, but I want you to check this. If you are considering purchasing, make sure you move your mouse away and see if a discount pops up there. It happens a lot on these ones. I make less as an affiliate by showing these to you, but I always want you to get the lowest prices. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you those discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, I'm gonna play you a real video of them showing you exactly how this works so you can really see what this kind of video type thing looks like here. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts. Okay, so this is the members area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you can create your campaigns and have your video things and everything. Again, you can use these with any autoresponder, or you can use it with this software. Now, they have multiple upgrades. First one is unlimited, so you can get unlimited everything with this. What I want you to do with this is there's going to be two possibilities. Either you're going to go to the bottom of this and you're going to click the no thanks button, or you're going to move your mouse away and there should be a downsell or a discount that pops up. Again, I make less by telling you about this, but I want you to always get that lowest price. Hit that like button. Thank you. Next one here. So that's the unlimited. Next one here is the diamond version of this. They say you're going to get more clicks with this. You get a link cloaker for better inboxing, unlimited bio pages, QR code thing, at unlimited custom domains, all these extra features. But again, make sure you get that discount on this one as well. Next one is agency. So you can start your own agency business with this and provide this as a service. So it's going to give you unlimited agency accounts. Next one here, it looks like it's like an automation type feature. I don't know. Oh, there we go. You see that discount that popped up? That's what you should see on the other pages as well. So make sure you get those discounts. On the last one here, it looks like it is a resell license for this. Oh, here we go. Move your mouse away, get that discount on this. Yeah, all these OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about VideoMails and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's the fact that you can't really put those videos in emails, that they will kind of look like a video. In a sense, it kind of looks like a video, but it's not really a video in the email. What do I like about this? With that being said, it's pretty cool the fact that they give you an autoresponder, they give you a built-in SMTP, and you can add in your own SMTP if you want to, and the fact that they allow you to use this with any autoresponder as well. It's a pretty neat thing. The fact that you can create those animated GIFs that look like videos. They don't play like videos, but they look like videos. If that's something that you're looking for, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at VideoMails, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.